Greetings everyone, this is Mike with So Special Quilts. Today's Tech Tuesday and today we're going to be discussing needles. You guys make such a big investment on your machines. You get high quality machines. It's always a good idea to get high quality needles as well. But even when you get high quality needles, sometimes, I'll give you an example. Last week we were working on a machine and one of our needles, brand new needles, was shredding thread. Well, we didn't know that. We thought it was the machine that was having some issues. So the guys tested all the needle hook clearances and everything else for it. Everything was good, but what happened was there was a burr in the eye of the needle, and that was causing the thread to shred. So don't be discouraged. Put a new needle in, even if it's acting kind of funny. I would put a brand new needle in, and that should fix a problem in a lot of cases. This is Mike again, So Special Quilts. Have a good day.